Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Belly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. Today, we're going to be looking at two really super cool things that you can do in Goodnotes if you didn't know already. Okay, so Goodnotes is a wonderful PDF annotating app, and you can journal in it, you can plan in it, you can jot notes down in it. And just recently, I've found that you can do even more things with Goodnotes. It's just amazing. And everybody I talk to about it, or everybody who sees me using it, they're like, oh my God, what are you using? I want it too. And they instantly go and download Goodnotes 5. So 2 things I want to talk about really super quickly are the new feature of recording. So a lot of you already know that Goodnotes has come out with this feature, and what's amazing about it is that while you're recording and writing your notes, just say there's a lecture going on and you're writing your notes, it will show you what you wrote at the time that you wrote it during the recording. So let me show you what I mean. So this is my first time accessing it, so it's going to come up like this. Goodnotes would like to access your microphone, so you're going to press OK. So now we are recording. Hello, we are recording video. Whoop, whoop. All right, I'm stopping right there. So let's play it back. Press OK. So now we are recording. Hello, we are recording video. Whoop, whoop. Super cool, right? So I know it looks like nothing here because I'm not listening to a lecture, but what's nice is you can see what you wrote as the professor was talking, or as your classmates were talking, or as whatever, whoever you're talking to, your tutor was talking. And whatever you were writing as you were jotting it down, not only are you looking at it visually, but you are hearing it with your, auditory processing. So depending how you learn, this is just an awesome way. Like somebody like me, I love listening to my lectures, and this is something that's super, super powerful for you guys who are studying. So I hope you take advantage of this cool feature. Okay, so over here we have audio clip 1. So that means as you're recording, you'll be able to keep track of everything in here. One thing I want to say, for those of you who don't have a lot of storage on your iPad, make sure that you're saving your recordings appropriately, but also oopsie, that's not what I meant to do. Make sure that you don't have a lot of stuff like I do. So I have not just this folder, but many folders, and it's sort of organized, but not really. But as you record, let's say you're recording a lot, it does take up space. So you want to make sure that you don't have a whole bunch of stuff all over the place, like things that you don't need. Make sure that you're erasing things that you don't need so that you do have enough storage for the things you actually need and the things that are important in Goodnotes. And make sure that you organize it very well so that you can easily find what you need to find. Okay, so as I was saying, you can click here, when you click down, the little mistake that I did is here, but I'm going to delete that. Go ahead and delete that. And that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Second thing I want to show you that has blown my mind, and I've always wanted Goodnotes to have this, is the fact that you can go to links, like actual links on the internet. How do you do this? I wonder. Okay, so let's say I'm going to write in google.com. Let's put www.google.com. Okay, here's my link. You'll see that it has a little dashed line here, which is showing that it is a link. So it's going to, hold on, I'm just going to do that. Now, when I click on this link, look what shows up here, you guys. You can open your link in Safari. You can copy the link. We even have link settings, and you can also, of course, edit the content. So if you want to change it to something else. So let's take a look. If we open the link, where do we go? It says by opening the link, you will switch to from Goodnotes to your default browser. Let's open it up. I'm in Google. How amazing is that? Do you know how much this is needed? Oh my goodness. Like, if you're, for example, somebody who pays bills online like I do, and you want to be organized, it makes such a difference that you have the actual place that you have to pay. Let's say I'm gonna just do, for example, edit content, and I'm gonna put chase.com. Let's just say I'm paying a bill from, I'm paying a bill in Chase, right? So I'm gonna put here instead Chase, right? Oopsie. Okay, so now it's Chase. It's gonna go to Chase. And I can write, let's just say I have a some sort of a graph here, or let's say my planner is a financial or finances planner. And I'm gonna put, when I go to chase.com, I'm going to pay my credit card bill. You know, I'm gonna say my credit card bill. And how much is due. Oh, I'm sorry, my writing is horrendous. And then let's say how much is due is $50, right? $50 on my bill is due. Oh, and also you want to have if you paid it or not, obviously. This is very quick, but just want to show you guys how awesome this thing is. And then you want to put here if you paid it or not. Let's say you're going to do a check mark, right? So now, if you want to instantly pay from your Goodnotes app, all you got to do is click, open the link. It will bring you straight to Chase. You do what you got to do. You pay your bills. You do what you got to do. Then you can just go right back and say, yes, I paid my bill. Check. Okay, that was a huge check mark. Check, paid. Do you know how easy that is? And then you can make sure that all your bills are paid. This is for people, of course, who pay their bills online to begin with. But for me, this is key. This is motivating. I love this, and I love the fact that it's super easy and that you can edit the link if, let's say, something changes or that's not what you wanted or whatever. It's easy to just change it quickly. So that is something I love. And of course, you can just copy the link, go to, wherever you want to go. But this option has blown my mind, and I definitely had to share it with you guys. Anyway, those are the two things I wanted to share. The microphone so that you can record, and the fact that you can open links. I hope you have an amazing day. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.